So, good day everyone. Good day, sir. So, this is a group Pokemons. This is the presentation of how to use a Google Scholar. So, first, let's define what is Google Scholar. So, Google Scholar is a free search engine that helps you find scholarly articles, search papers, theses, and books from trusted sources like universities and journals. It is useful for students and researchers because it provides reliable and academic information for school projects, research, and reports. Next is how is Google Scholar different from a Google search? So Google Scholar is different from a Google's regular search because it focuses on academic and scholarly sources. It shows results like journal articles, theses, books, conference papers, and patents, which are usually written by researchers and experts. In contrast, a regular Google Scholar search, a Google search, displays all kinds of content from the internet, such as news articles, blogs, websites, and videos, and some of which may not be reliable. Google Scholar also ranks results based on factors like the author, the number of citations, and relevance to academic research, while the regular Google ranks pages based on popularity in search engines optimizations. And another difference is that Google Scholar offers citation tools to help users easily cite sources in different formats, which is helpful for students and researchers. Although not all the articles on Google Scholar are free to read, it is still a great tool for finding credible academic information. On the other hand, regular Google search is more suitable for everyday information needs. Next is why use Google Scholar? It is access to reliable, peer-reviewed sources. It is free and easy to use. It's ideal for school papers, theses, and capstone projects. And it provides citation formats like APA, MLA, and Chicago. Next is how to access it. So you can go here, just click this. Um, you can use any browser, either Chrome, Firefox, or etc. So click lang natin to. Yan. Um, so these are the sample of our generic studies. So here the equipment rental system, borrow and return tracking system, equipment borrowing system, facility equipment management system, asset borrowing system. So punta tayo sa Google Scholar. I'll show you an example of the generic topics. So, try natin ang equipment rental equipment. Equipment rental system. So these are the um these are these are the sample of generic. Nilagyan ko ng quotation mark because it's helpful siya para madaling ma-emphasize yung topic. So, yan. Yan, nakita ko dito, ay, I'll go first with the borrowing. Oh, wait. Yun. Copy na lang natin eh. Okay. Okay, tulo. So here, may nakita ko dito. This is similar to our study. So, yan, kapag nakita mo na yung cited the literature mo, and ready ka na mag-save. So, paano ba mag-save? Just click this icon lang, this star, and go to your library. Dito mo makikita ang naisisave mo na article. So, that is the example of generic studies. So, next is the specific topics naman. So, I have here the web-based facility reservation for public offices, data security and online borrowing system. So, tatry natin yung isa. This is an example. Yan. Always double check the date range. It is from 2020 to 2024. So I have here 2023. So this is just a related studies kasi yan, nakita ko dito and yan, same process lang din. Save and go to my library. Yan, dito, nasisave na lahat. You can also do the advanced research, like use exact phrases, like wrap search terms and quotation marks to find that exact phrase. So always check if may quotation mark ba siya kasi it is helpful sa imong studies para like nasabi ko kanina para ma-emphasize yung title talaga. And also use Boolean operators and or and not. Narrow search by requiring both terms or Ruden search to include either term. Not, it is a minus sign includes a specific term. So, and the limit by date range, ang limit natin dun is 2020 to 2024. So, use filters to search within a specific year or range of years. And also search by author. Use author, which is the full name, to find works by a particular researcher. And next is the search by publication. Use source, like journal name, to filter results by specific journal or publication. And title only search. Use and title, like use only keyword lang. Wag ang buong research title. And next is the find specific file types. Add file types, PDF or another formats to limit results to downloadable documents. Next is the follow citations and versions. Use cited by to track newer research that references paper. Use all versions to find alternative, possibly free access to points. Next is use the related articles like link. Click to discover similar studies or papers. Last one is the pro tip. Combine multiple tricks. stack filters and keywords for highly targeted results. Nice. So, yun lang. Kalimutan ko pala. So, um, so this is the tips for using Google Scholar. Use keywords only, and next is use quotation marks. Search by author, add specific details, check author profiles, use university access, and look for full text links. Customize settings, use advanced search, easy citation, and save to my gallery. So I think that's all for today. So do you have question, guys? May question ba or wala? Ba?
Jangan.